how to share your blog post on LinkedIn. So in this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take a blog post from your website or from somebody else and share it as a post on LinkedIn. My name is Louise Brogan. I am the host of LinkedIn with Louise, and if you enjoy learning about how to use LinkedIn, please hit the subscribe button below or thumbs up. Okay, so we're on LinkedIn, and what we're going to use is the start a post button option here. So first of all, let me go and grab a blog. So I'll go over to here and I'm going to take the URL from this blog post. Let's go and click on LinkedIn articles versus posts. And I'm going to copy the URL at the top of the screen, and I'm going to go back to LinkedIn and I'm going to paste in the link to my blog post here. So, but then what I'm going to do, this is really important. When you share something as a post on LinkedIn, you really want to make sure that you write and say why you're sharing it. So let's see. Do you know the difference between writing an article and sharing a post on LinkedIn? Find out the difference. Oops. And why you should be doing both in this blog. Okay, and then what I want you to do as well is I want you to write 3 hashtags at the bottom of your post, and I would do this on all of my LinkedIn posts. It's recommended by LinkedIn that you choose between 3 and 5 hashtags because people follow hashtags on LinkedIn, so you get found by a new audience. So then you've got suggested hashtags at the bottom here. So we'll do hashtag LinkedIn tips, LinkedIn training, and then I like to add in a hashtag about my own business actually. LinkedIn with Louise. And then the last thing we want to do is just remove this URL and, oh yes, and answer a question. Let me know. Okay. If you have written an article for LinkedIn recently, I'd love to hear A, what it was about, and B, did you get any engagement with it? Because a client of mine, who you can read about in this actual blog post, published an article recently and had a direct request to find out more about her services as a result. So hopefully this will help you with sharing blog posts onto LinkedIn. And if you'd like to know more, then do hit the subscribe button, or let me know in the comments below if you have any more questions that you would like answered about using LinkedIn for business. Oh yes, I need to hit post. And there we go. The post is now live, sharing a link to my blog.